So this is my mostly printed wagon vise for the workbench. The non-printed parts are a half-inch aluminum bar that provides reinforcement to the screw assembly and transmits the torque from the handle into the screw. The other non-printed parts are a couple of thrust bearings that are deep groove roller bearings, 6204. I chose to use those after I tried printing some test prototypes of thrust bearing assemblies, but at this size and at the loads that would have to bear, I felt they bound too easily. It wasn't really a suitable application for 3D printed parts. So that's what I did there. I have a couple different dog designs that are interchangeable, and these are standard 3/4 inch holes. So a couple different heights depending on what work you're holding. The lead of the screw is 8 millimeters, so that's about 3 turns per inch, and that gives a nice solid hold. So the design is intended to fit in a bench top that's laminated from 2x4s, or in this case, or thicker. So the dovetail track is just a hair smaller than the width of a 2x4, and so you can leave it flush with the bench top, and it would fit right in. And the whole assembly fits within a gap left by leaving out 2x4s 7.5 inches long.
If you'd like to make your own, you can find a link to the model files in the description.